Welcome to CineSpeaks channel. Let's have a look at today's Bollywood updates. Here comes the most awaited teaser of Khali Pili starring Ishan Khattar and Ananya Pandey. Produced by Himanshu Mehra, Ali Abbas Zafar and Z Studios. And directed by Maqbool Khan. Nawazuddin Siddiqui receives another round of appreciation for Gangs of Wasseypur. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who portrayed the role of Faisal in the film, earned a lot of praises from the audience for his flawless performance and left a big impression in the minds of movie buffs for not only his impeccable acting but his fashion statement too. Recently, one of the leading entertainment OTT platforms, Netflix, released the part 1 and 2 on their streaming platform, allowing the audience to once again reminisce the memorable performance and the interesting storyline of the worldwide audience. This refreshed release gave global viewers another chance to witness the breathtaking performance of Faisal, aka Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and he was showered with an abundance of messages of appreciation from his fans all over the world as they once again got to savor his binge worthy performance. Nawazuddin was pleasantly surprised as the messages started pouring in from the last 5 days. It's interesting to note that Nawaz recently received critical acclaim for his portrayal of a determined police officer Jatil Yadav in the Netflix presentation Raat Akeli Hai. Disha Patni is attending online narrations, reading new scripts, and in the process of finalizing new projects while at home. Disha has been attending online Zoom narrations. She has been reading a lot of new scripts and will also be finalizing a couple of projects soon. The actress also announced two big brand endorsements back to back and is also exploring new endorsements with a unique way of promotion which the audiences always look forward. Apart from reading new scripts and being regular at work just like always, the actress also been taking care of her family back in Bareilly. Disha is also following a strenuous workout schedule to stay in her best physique as she is soon going to resume the shoot for the upcoming film Radhe. The actress totally ruled the minds of the audiences with her free-spirited avatar and character in her latest film Malang. The hotness and the desirability factor was just on its high as ever. The actress will also be seen next in Ek Villain Part 2, which also marks her reunion with the director of Malang, Mohit Suri. Prabhas' career is sky high and it will reach more heights, says Bahubali director S.S. Rajamouli. The director shared, I know about Adipurush even before the announcement. It is the perfect time to make a move with story based on Lord Rama. Adding more about Prabhas and the heights to which his career is growing, the director further shared, already Prabhas' career is sky high and it will reach more heights after this. Prabhas will be seen next in Adipurush, Radheshyam and recently announced untitled film alongside with Deepika Padukone. Did you know RSVP as a production house started creating content for OTT ahead of the others? Owing to the current situation, several makers have released their films on OTT, but RSVP has been the only production house that has constantly been investing in creating quality content for OTT, which they began way back, more than 2 years ago. There are several production houses creating series for OTT, but RSVP began with first OTT film Love Per Square Foot, followed by Love Stories and now Raat Akeli Hai. The recently released thriller stars Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte in the head and is directed by Haneet Rehan. The film is receiving rave reviews ever since it released on the platform. Why all these worked well for the audience? Because narrative is key and the consumers understand the power of content now. With the new attention being driven towards content, RSVP continues to invest in bringing original content for the digital platform. Raat Akeli Hai is receiving appreciation from the audiences and critics alike and the team is basking in its success currently. Sunny Singh is back on the sets as he resumes shoot post the lockdown. The actor was seen in the song Holi Mein Rangile and the audiences couldn't stop but shake a leg on it. Sunny Singh was last seen in a mom-com Jai Mummy Di. Well-known Bollywood hair and makeup expert Florian Hurrell recently got on board to work with actor Yami Gautam. The renowned artist prepared Yami for the shoot of a hand sanitizer brand's commercial. The French artist's body of work stands testimonial to his talent. He is the name behind the flawless appearance of Bollywood divas such as Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra Jonas on various occasions and more recently his work with actor Deepika Padukone during her Chapak promotions. Actress Rupal Patel aka Minakshi Rajvansh of Rajan Shahi's Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke is on cloud 9 these days. Music producer Yashraj Mukte has turned a scene from Saath Nibhana Satya into a viral song and added a musical spin to it, converting Kokila Bain's dialogue into a peppy rap song. Rupal also managed to find out Yashraj's contact and spoke to him. She adds, I spoke to Yashraj and thanked him. He has utilized his creativity nicely and that made this song viral. No doubt Kokila Modi is an iconic character, but now this rap song will make her more memorable in people's hearts. Deepika Padukone returns after visiting her family in Bangalore before resuming shoot for her next. Deepika will soon be beginning shoot for the Shakun Batra directorial and will get into back-to-back work commitments post that. So guys, what are your views? Do leave your comments below and for more such updates, like, share and subscribe the channel.